I already soaked my apple. Manza. Hi guys, good morning. How Hi guys, good morning. How are we doing? If you're coming across this pretty face for the very first time, my name is Lima, the one and only Lima in Njugu on this YouTube street. How are we all doing? Guys, today is Saturday. And it's one of those days I just feel like sleeping, like covering up myself and resting. But is it possible with this little human close to me? Huh? Huh? How are we all doing? Welcome to another interesting weekend vlog in the life of Nigerian Housewife. Oh, it is what it is. Before we start our day, let's use our face cleanser. This is RDL baby face facial cleanser papaya extract. I got it because of this papaya and I've been using it. I don't even know if it's working, even though I'm not consistent. Don't tell anybody. I'm not even consistent with it. Please leave this thing. Eh? But then any day I remember to use it, I use it and clean my face. It's okay, I stand up. It's okay. Hey! It's okay, sit first. It's okay, it's okay. Oh, man. Motherhood. This way. I used this after bathing last night though. And I've not gone outside my house. Still, my face is so dirty. Can you imagine what people are inhaling? The dust is too much. Leave here. Leave here. Oh.
One eternity later.
Yeah, it looks like. Oh, yeah.
Jesus.
You know those really.
You never even done. Is that the only one?
Tell me,
Hey. You go still roast for you. Hey. This one now how much?
carry on 35.
Wait on which fish be this?
Titus.
Okay now.
Which one?
Which one? You know the how much?
115.
Let me see now.
Hey, this one no be one thing. Like the thing you want. I even want more than. I get now.
Lara today for allergy, cough.
One eternity later.
So Nigeria won today's match. Nigeria, you guys have been doing so well lately. Yeah, so guys, I want to make one of my sumptuous, yummy, delicious meal. If you're an OG on this channel, you know that I love making this meal. Let me show you guys what we are about having. Dana! Guys, we're making abacha this night. African salad. I already soaked my abacha. Yeah, so this is my abacha. This is my smoked fish. Yeah, this is my ogiribu, my seasoning cubes. Then I have ehuru. This gives abacha a very good taste. My onions, my pepper, then opaka and then my crayfish. Yeah, I'll still get my palm oil. Guys, let's make yummy sumptuous abacha African salad. I'm roasting my ehuru so that the scent will come out very well. If you don't roast it, the scent won't come out. Yeah. Seasoning cubes, crayfish and pepper, abacha, the game changer, ogiri Igbo. Then I go in with my fish, smoked fish. Guys, film our abacha well. Film am well. Abacha ga Harvard. Abacha nwanyị Nnewi. Oh, bring your plate to Atabaze village. No subirigo. Hey. Boo-boo. You can't wait to have some, right? You can't wait to have some? Mama's abacha. Yeah, boo-boo. It's ready. Yeah.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. Happy Sunday. So guys, for the first time in 1 year plus since I gave birth, I'm going to church alone. And I'm carrying handbag. After a very long time, I've been carrying baby bag. Hey guys, let's go to church today. My people at home. Oh my gosh. Hubby is not feeling too strong, so and my baby is still sleeping. So I just decided to leave the two of them and go to church. Yeah. I didn't wear heels. I just wore a flat sandal because I didn't drive. Yeah.
Businesses, we didn't plan at all. We didn't go to God first.
A few moments later.
Peace be unto this house. Yay! So na sleep una dey sleep since. Na own better oh. Boom. What are you looking for there? Ifeanyi na-emekwa. What are you looking for there? So I'm boiling egg for breakfast. I want to have tea, bread, and boiled eggs.